Does that sound anything like Soxy?
No, Judge.
What does Soxy sound like?
She has more of a soft meow. That meow's quite distorting.
I see, rather frightening.
Yes.
So you'd say Soxy is really more of a lover than a fighter?
Yes, Judge.
I understand. What was the cat's reaction, Dimitri?
Well, it was very violent, I'd say. Most cats that I do it to, they have a very simple reaction.
What do you mean, most cats? You've done that on another occasion before Kane's poor cat.
I'd done it to one of my friend's cats, and the reaction was simple. It wasn't very violent like his cat.
You do other cat sounds?
No, well...
What cat sounds do you make?
It's mainly just that aggressive one, but...
There is another cat sound.
Well, it's more just quiet and calm, like peaceful kind of cat sound.
Right, such as?